6-inch pipe. I'm about to prep my pipe for TIG. By prepping the pipe, you're gonna need a face shield, a half round file, and a grinder.
You can push that inside like that, you see. So your last step is going to be to put that landing. So once you do this, then we come back and see if we can carefully file the landing. When we use a file like that, there's no cutting surface on it, right?
Start from the bottom, work my way up, and then from here, I'm gonna go back in the 2G position and show you this is the 5G position. So I'm gonna do half and half, and then the 5G, I'm gonna come from the bottom to the top, the 2G, I'm gonna continue it going around. All right. Now we're going to move into the 2G position. All of this is doing a horizontal weld. As in the 5G position that you just saw, it'll be vertical. Now we're going into the horizontal.
We want to get that clean as much as we can. Doesn't hurt a whole lot. One of the problems we're going to have here, we're going to make a little weld and see if we can get a little tension on it. Now which way? See how to adjust that? They're going to learn both. They're going to learn manual and these things, but I think they're going to work on these tables, big tables like this, where they're cutting out all sorts of parts. They're going to see what I've never been able to see. That's going to be normal and natural to them to just plug in, oh, you need another one of these, you know, a widget, and they're going to just cut out widgets all day long. Actually, we know that the technology is even changing further to water jetting, to some laser applications.